Welcome to RUG TV. Today we will show you the first weldable and rigid lifting point that can be loaded with maximum working load limit in all force directions.
Here are our ABAs. The ABA is available as boltable and weldable versions. ABA stands for lifting point that can be loaded on all sides. As the name suggests, you may apply the full working load limit in all force directions. At load ring plane, you can even apply a higher load. This information can also be found in the user instructions. The ABA is the perfect alternative to self-made solutions, such as burnt-out tabs. This is because burnt-out tabs usually have no marking and have very thick walls. The ABA always carries the workload limit. It is designed in such a way that a hook with a similar workload limit can be hooked in without any problems. If you take a closer look at the forged part, you will immediately see our patented wear lenses. These are fitted to both inside and outside of our ABA. If the wear has progressed to the lens, the ABA must no longer be used. Another advantage is that the ABA is 100% electromagnetically crack tested. This means that dangerous hairline cracks are excluded. These are especially problematic when there is continuous load.
The Inox-Aba is the latest member of the ABA family. What can you tell us about the Inox-Aba?
The Inox-Aba is made of so-called duplex steel. To be precise, it is 1.4462 steel. This type of steel is particularly resistant to corrosion. The Inox-Aba is available with a working load limit from 0.8 to 2.5 tons. It can be fully initiated in all force directions. At load ring plane, you can even apply a higher load. A circumferential fillet weld is used to fasten the Inox-Aba. Information on the weld seam and how to design it can be found in the welding instructions. Here we describe how large the fillet weld has to be, which welding process and which filler material is recommended. In order to ensure the working load limit, it is imperative that these specifications are adhered to.
For which industries is the Inox-Aba particularly suitable?
Thanks to its good resistance to seawater, water vapor, nitric and sulfuric acid, Inox-Aba is particularly well suited for shipbuilding and tank construction as well as the petrochemical, paper and food industry. Thanks to its good corrosion resistance, it is also suitable for many other industries.
Thank you very much for your attention. You can find more information on the topic of lifting and moving loads on our website.